Hey everybody, it's Josh with Garber Guys, and well, I just received a comment on the vehicles here for the 19 Silverado with the miles per gallon. Alex Kolopinski, about how they come from the factory reading 20 some miles per gallon. So I can honestly say I haven't looked at that, but we're gonna take a look. So I grabbed, let's see here, got 5 different keys here. 5 keys to New Silverados, and we're going to take a look at these and see what the miles per gallon is. Whoa! You can see here, it's a 19 Silverado. Forgive me, but it's like -2 degrees out here. It's cold. We just had a bunch of rain the other day, and now it's turned to ice. So everything's a little bit cold out here. Let's hop in this one. Okay, so this one has 2 miles, 3 point... Whoa! 3 point... Whoa. Let's turn that down. Fuel level low. So this one is reading 2.6 miles, and it's reading 18.2 miles per gallon on trip 1 and trip 2. So that one does seem high. We're gonna find out if all of them read that, because yeah, it is definitely interesting. I don't believe that they can actually manipulate the vehicles. Now granted, in that video I did drive it 60, I don't remember, 67 or 69 miles. You know, didn't drive it terribly far, but did drive it. Now granted, that was during when it was warm outside, and despite what everything or everyone or anyone may say, gas mileage, at least in the northern states, when it's cold, your gas mileage will go down. They do use a different blend of gas. Whoa. And the motors just have to work harder because obviously they have to warm up, you know, so your gas mileage will go down in the wintertime. Now these trucks here just came off of the truck. They've just been PDI'd. Look at the nice ice that we got going here. So let's see what this one reads. So this one, 1.2 hours, 4 miles. Oops. So this one is 4.2 miles, but an average of 2.9 miles per gallon. So that's definitely not 20 miles to a gallon. There's trip 2, trip 1. So far, Alex, we're 1 and 1. One did read 18 miles to a gallon. One read, well, that one just read what, 2 point something miles to a gallon. That's definitely not 20. But you know, we're definitely gonna put this to the test and find out what we got here. Oh, there we go. This would be a lot quicker normally because I don't have to skate between the vehicles normally. Whoa. Alright. Let's try this again. Gotta love the weather up here. It sucks. You know, I don't know about the rest of the state or how everything else is going, but I know this weather definitely has hurt us, as who in the heck wants to come out in sub-zero temperatures to buy a new car? I know I certainly don't. I wouldn't. I'd be sitting home doing nothing if I didn't have to be here. So let's check this one. Alright. So this one has 4.4 miles driven on it, and it's at a 3.7 miles to a gallon. So again, this one is brand new. It's trip 1, trip 2. Nothing's been done. You can see here the odometer's reading 4 miles to a gallon, or 4 miles total driven on the truck. 4 miles driven, 3.7 miles to a gallon. So that looks like it's 2 to 1 as far as it reading 20 miles to a gallon. Let's pull out another key here. I can tell you, I can see why people invest in a selfie stick. because man, it's cold out here, and trying to work this camera, well, it doesn't quite work with gloves on. Oh, there we go. And my hands are frozen right now. Look at all the nice ice we got here. You know, got a nice sheet of ice all the way across all the vehicles. That sucks. Oh. Here, all that ice. The sun just came out, so it's kind of melting a little bit. Whoa. Let me get this ice out of the seat here. Oh. Okay. So let's start another one up. Ah, this one's not brand new. Ah, the demo sticker there, hidden under all the ice I couldn't see. So this one, you can see, has 3,130 miles driven on it. This will kind of give you what it's over that course of time, and 3,130 miles, it averaged 17.3 miles per gallon, and over the last 938, 16.7. Now what a DRAC or demo is whenever you have service work, warranty work, or you have a recall, a safety recall on the vehicle, say that the dealership itself doesn't have the part in stock. Obviously, we're not going to let you take a vehicle that has a safety recall on it. So you're given a brand new car to drive while your car's part is ordered and brought in, or your vehicle is being repaired. Anytime any of that happens, so I think it's still averaged pretty decent gas mileage for 3,000 miles, considering there was multiple people that drove that vehicle. It's not just one person that drives the vehicles. It's given out to whoever is... Where was this truck? Oh, there it is. Huh. This is another demo, another DRAC unit. But it's given out to anybody, so it could have had 10, 12 different drivers, all driving habits are different. So still, over 3,000 miles, average 17 miles to a gallon. I can say that that's a lot better than most of these vehicles are going to get in the wintertime, just because of everything. So this one has 92 miles on it. Oh. Alright, so this one has 92 miles on it, and it's averaged 17.5 miles. So there's that, and that's it. Oh, about to fall again. So as you can see, it's not a... So out of the three brand new vehicles that we had that were brand new and had a little mileage, they did not say 20 to 22 miles to a gallon. So Alex, I don't know if it's something that just GMC is doing, but at least on Chevrolet, you know, I got to go with the majority here, and 2 out of the 3 read 2 to 3 miles a gallon. They didn't read 20 to 21, and even the one that did have higher, it definitely didn't read 21 miles to a gallon still. So, well, we'll have to, time will tell if this new motor, the new dynamic fuel management, is better. Time will only tell us, so we'll just have to see. If you guys have any comments, please leave the comment below. Any questions, leave a comment. Hit that like and subscribe button to let me know freezing my butt off isn't a waste of time. And we'll kind of go from there, you know. So, and if you, of course, if you're looking for a vehicle, just let us know. We'll help you out in any way we can. Well, I hope you guys have a good day, and see ya.